APIs, as we know, sit between apps and web servers. When a user initiates an API call by telling an application to do something, the client application submits a request to an API, and the API retrieves the requested data from the external server or program and delivers it back to the client application. The API acts as a bridge between the application and the web server, and the API call serves as the request. The moment you add an endpoint to a URL, or log into your account, or register on an app or website and hit the Enter button, you will be making an API request. The 5 most common HTTP methods for sending and retrieving data from a server are GET for obtaining information, POST for sending new data, PATCH and PUT for changing existing data, and DELETE for deleting the data. There are many API usages in our day-to-day work, including moving data from one program to another. APIs, or Application Program Interfaces, are vital tools for businesses of all sizes. With API Layer, get the best APIs for your business. Visit our website today.